During an engagement involving the receiving section of the purchasing division, the internal auditor discovers that a receiving problem might be the result of procedures followed in the procurement section. The internal audit activities management agrees that the internal auditor should extend the engagement on a limited scale into the procurement section. According to the standards, which device should be used to communicate the change in engagement scope to the engagement client? So, whenever we have a change in scope that's been initiated, we, as internal auditors, need to communicate this to the client. After all, it likely supersedes our original engagement letter or announcement. So let's review the answer choices to determine which selection best fits our reasoning. Answer choice A, an informal notification of the involved supervisor. Well, no. The engagement client's management needs to be informed, so we can eliminate choice A. Choice B, a formal written communication to the involved supervisor. So once again, we need to have engagement client management engaged here, so choice B goes away. Answer choice C, a written interim communication to the involved supervisor and the same distribution as the original correspondence scheduling the engagement. So this infers that the original correspondence included the proper engagement management personnel. So we can keep C on the back burner here for a moment. Choice D, no communication is necessary if the internal audit activities charter specifies the unrestricted scope of its work. This is a bit too much. This doesn't apply here. Nothing in the charter negates the need to inform concerned parties of changes in the scope of the engagement. And, this specification about the unrestricted scope, that's just fluffy language to put out there to make you confused, make you pick the wrong answer. Don't worry about that. It's a bit too much. Answer choice C is the right answer. Interim reports are oral or written and may be transmitted formally or informally. Interim reports are used to communicate information that requires immediate attention, to communicate a change in engagement scope for the activity under review, or to keep management informed of engagement progress when engagements extend over the long period. So again, the fact that we're touching upon the engagement management team here, as well as the involved supervisor, is what makes this our best answer. Answer choice C is correct.